Okay, we're here at 6506 Creekside Trail, inside Creekside Farms. And folks, we have our first ear of corn to be harvested. These social media YouTubers tell us you just take it like this. Let's grab this and just snap down. There it is. An ear of corn. A lot of husk on it. Take that off. Isn't that nice, huh? Beautiful sunny morning in August. Now, second ear of corn. Right there. And we'll just do the same thing. Snap it down. Off it comes. Isn't that a beauty? Yes, it is. Okay. Yes, it's not plumped up like you see in factory farms, but it's a ripe ear of corn. And we hope it's going to be just really delicious.